In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change DNS provider in Google Chrome. Easy step-by-step guide. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three vertical dots, which open the main Chrome menu. When the menu appears, find and click Settings. This will open the main settings page for Chrome, where you can manage browser preferences and network-related options. Inside Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. Click there to open more options related to safe browsing, permissions, and connection settings. Now find the setting that lets you select a DNS provider. Chrome may label this option in a way that refers to secure DNS or choosing a provider for DNS lookups. From the list of available providers, choose Cloudflare. This tells Chrome to use Cloudflare as the DNS provider for your browsing activity. DNS works like the Internet's address book, translating website names into the server addresses your browser needs in order to load pages. By selecting a provider manually, you are choosing which service handles those lookups while you browse. After selecting Cloudflare, the change is usually applied right away. In most cases, you do not need to restart Chrome, but if you notice any delay or unusual behavior, closing and reopening the browser can help refresh the connection. That covers everything you need to know.